In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to change your display resolution settings on your HP laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is open up the search menu and type in settings. Best result should come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. And then on the left panel, select system. And then on the right side, the top option should say display. Select that. And then going underneath scale and layout, there's a display resolution section that says adjust the resolution to fit your connected display. Click the drop down and then select one of the resolution options here. And that's pretty much it. So do hope I was able to help you guys out. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out with your HP device. And I look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.